Good morning and welcome to ISE 2020. You're at the NEC display stand and we're showcasing a brand new product for you this morning. This is the fine pitch advanced 0.9mm screen, which we've showing for the very first time. This is a 4-in-1 LED solution with extremely good colors, brightness and a 4K screen. So if you're looking for a really impressive screen to display your brand, to be used in large meeting rooms, auditoriums, then this could be the product for you. It is part of our fine pitch bundle solution, where you have one product code and you have the complete solution, including power bar, modules, spare parts, mounting solution and a Novastar controller. And it is, as you can see, a pretty impressive screen. So it's made with aluminium cabinets, locking pins, so the rigidity is extremely good. We hope you like it, and if you'd like to find out more about the product, please go along to our website on www.nec-displays.com. Thank you.